And I can go in and I can, paint with green. I can change it, paint with red. Maybe my brush isn't big enough. I can make it really big, or I can make it very tiny. That's what I love about working digital, is that I have all of these choices that I may not have had before. Now I'm going to get rid of all of this, and I'm going to find my very favorite brush. It's called a non-photo blue brush. Everything that you draw begins with the basic shape. So I'm going to draw a face, and you can draw a face beginning with just a basic square. So draw a square. Doesn't have to be perfect. Remember that everything that you draw initially is going to be very rough. Add a half circle on top and a half circle on the bottom. And then maybe 2 half circles on the side. Doesn't have to be perfect. Remember, right now we're just creating a skeleton. Another shape in the center as a triangle, a circle on the side, a circle on the other side, and an oval in the center.